In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Shopify store using Canva. We're going to dive into a hands-on, practical guide that will help you give your online store a unique and engaging look, perfect for attracting customers and enhancing your brand's identity. So, let's get started. First, let's head over to Canva. If you haven't used it before, no worries. Canva is an incredibly user-friendly design platform that allows even beginners to create stunning visuals with ease. Once you're on Canva, you can start by creating or editing your logo. If you're starting from scratch, take a moment to think about the elements that best represent your brand. Colors, fonts, shapes, you name it. For this tutorial, let's assume you're modifying an existing logo. Select the logo file you want to work with and make any necessary changes. You might want to tweak the color of the image to better align with your brand's color palette or adjust the size to ensure it fits well within the design constraints of your Shopify store. Don't forget about the text. Make sure the font and size are visually appealing and consistent with your brand. Once you're satisfied with your logo, it's time to download your masterpiece. Choose the file format that maintains good quality. Usually a PNG works best for logos. Now that you have your tailored logo ready, it's time to integrate it into your Shopify store. Navigate to your online store's theme settings. In most cases, you can do this by clicking on the Customize button within Shopify's dashboard. Once there, find the section labeled Logo. This may vary slightly depending on your selected theme, but don't worry, it's usually quite intuitive. Click on the Upload button and select the logo file you just downloaded from Canva. Watch as your store starts to take on a more professional and customized look. What if you want to incorporate video elements to further enhance your store's visual appeal? Canva has got you covered too. Similar to how you edited your logo, you can create video designs directly in Canva. Begin by choosing from their library of video templates or start with a blank canvas. Customize it with your media, including images, text animations, and other elements that align with your brand's message. Once you're satisfied with your design, it's crucial to download it in a suitable format. Typically, an MP4 is ideal for video uploads. After downloading, make sure to save your work. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can create a stunning and personalized look for your Shopify store using Canva. Don't hesitate to explore and experiment with different designs, as both Shopify and Canva offer a wonderful array of tools to help tailor your online presence. Thanks for watching and happy designing!